Hey guys, welcome back to Vertice Models. Today we're going to be making Leaping Lizzy. I figured I'd try something a little different today, and I'm going to be making a model from start to finish. Will be this whole video, but hope y'all enjoy. Thank you for watching. As I was working, I was getting the shape right, and now that I've gotten him to a form that I like, and he's starting to look like the actual model, I'm going in and adding details and working smaller from using standard to damn standard in ZBrush, and then adding textures on top with alphas. So now I'm starting to add, the textures on him. I'm doing the extrusions using masking and then pulling them out of the model to get that scale texture that's on the lizard himself. Now that I've got him to a point where I'm happy with him, I think he's looking pretty sick, then I'll decimate him and I'll get him ready to slice. So after we've got our model ready, I'm going to be using the Photon, the Anycubic Photon printer. It's a DLP projection printer, and it cures with UV light. So I'm going to be loading the file into the slicer here and getting things ready. So with this printer, everything's printed upside down. So what you're seeing here will be upside down whenever it actually starts printing. So it still requires supports underneath to have something to build on. Also, I'm using calipers to gauge my scale on how big I want the model to be. So now that I got the supports on him and I think he's going to be good for printing, we'll extract that and export it onto a SD card, and then take that, plug it in the printer, and get it ready to print. He's finally finished. Now I can peel him off the bed, rinse him in some alcohol, and let him cure, and then start cleaning up so that we can get started on painting. We rinsed him off and let him sit for a bit under some light, and now that he's cured, we can start sanding off all the support spots on the underneath of his belly. Now that we got them sanded, we'll be using a 2-in-1 filler primer, and this will just help fill in any resolution lines that we see on the 3D print. And now it's finally time for painting. I grabbed a bunch of browns, oak brown, desert yellow, dark stone, a bunch of different colors from the Army Painter paints. Now we can really start making them come to life, start adding some color to them. If you want to see more of our content, don't forget to subscribe. Also, feel free to check us out on Instagram or consider supporting us on Patreon. All of our links will be in the description below. It really means a lot. Thanks everybody for watching. Let us know what we should make next, and we'll see y'all next time.